Hello guys, you're welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Sikak, and in this channel I make videos on how to make money online with your smartphone, right? So if you are here for the first time, please kindly like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop important videos like this, you will be among the first persons to partake in it. Alright, so right away in today's video, without wasting time, I'm going to show you a platform that is currently paying, and not just saying. I'm going to show you proof that it's actually working. All right, so this platform will earn you at least 30k monthly. 30k monthly. Even if you don't, you can make money with this platform even if you don't know anything. All right, so it's not a kind of hard stuff. Okay, right away, let me dive into it without wasting much time. Alright guys, so here's the platform. Alright, so in this platform they are into energy storage products. Alright, they are into energy storage products, and they have an investment scheme. So this is how it works. They offer an investment scheme of 2,000, but the one of 2,000 is not currently active. Alright, for instance, if you click here like this, yeah, it won't work. All right, so it's not currently working. The least amount now to invest in this platform is 4,000. All right, so if you invest 4,000 with this company, you're gonna get 30,000 naira at the end of the month. Okay, that's the sum of 30,000 naira at the end of the month. What they do is they pay daily. They pay the sum of 1,000 naira daily, and is withdrawable. You can withdraw your money. You don't have to wait till month end. You can withdraw your money every 24 hours. Okay, let's say for instance you invested 4,000. After investing 4,000, you're gonna get 200 naira bonus, and then after 24 hours you're gonna get 1,000 naira every single day. You're gonna be getting 1,000 naira every single day, which you can withdraw. Okay, which you can withdraw. Now, outside the investment package, you still gonna earn 1,006 for each person you refer. 1,006 for each person you refer into this platform. Guys, isn't that awesome? Isn't that interesting? Okay, just imagine you are able to refer at least 3 persons in a day. Okay, let me keep it at a minimum of 1 person a day. All right, let's say at most 1 person, and then 16 plus 1,000 plus the initial 200, that's about 2,800. Then you times that in a month. You know how much that's gonna give you for literally doing nothing. Right? So if you have enough money and you want to go for a bigger package, you can do the one of 8,000, and then at the end of the month you're gonna get 60,000 naira. With 8,000 naira package, you're gonna get 60,000 naira, and you'll be getting the sum of 2,000 naira every single day. Then if you invest 15,000, you're gonna be getting 3,750 naira every day. All right, 3,750 naira every day. At the end of the month, you're gonna be getting 112,500 at the end of the month. That's with 15,000 naira investment. So if you say you want to invest with 30,000 naira at the end of the month, every day you're gonna be getting 7,500. At the end of the month, you're gonna be getting 225,000, if I'm not mistaken. All right, and so on and so forth. If you invest 70,000, you're gonna be getting 17,500. Then at the end of the month, 525,000. That's what you're gonna be getting with 70,000 investment, guys. Then if you invest 150,000, At the end of the month, you're gonna be getting 1,125,000, and you're gonna be getting 37,500 every single day. Every single day with the investment of 150,000. Guys, that's how it is with 300,000. If you invest 300,000, you're gonna be getting 75,000 naira every single day. Every single day. At the end of the month, you're gonna be getting 2,250,000. That's how it goes till. I think the maximum is 600,000. 600,000, which you're gonna be getting 150,000 every single day. So imagine you have money to, you know, to put such amount of, to invest such amount of money in it. All right. You know how much that's gonna give you at the end of the month. You know how far your, your financial level is gonna be. But then I won't advise anybody to go for a higher package of all those um, 300,000. No, do what you can afford. Do what you don't go and invest money that will, that will traumatize you if anything goes wrong. Please, please, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you an investment that's currently paying, and I'm still gonna show you proof that it's actually working for now. But then don't go and invest money that you can't afford to lose. This is an investment. It is not 100% guaranteed. All right. It is true that it is paying, but that doesn't mean that you should go and sell your family land and invest in this. Please, it is just an investment. If you want to take risk, take calculated risk, not greedy. Don't be greedy, please. All right. So that's how it is. That's how it is. If you put your heart to this, at the end of the month, trust me, you're gonna be getting a huge sum amount of money. All right. So guys, let me show you the one I started this stuff on. I just said let me try it out so that I will know if it's actually working before I share it with you guys. So I started it on the, I think on the 28th, and on the 29th I received my alert. Received my alert on the 29th. Guys, okay, it's like network is disturbing. Let's go back. Okay guys, we are here. So now let me show you withdrawal proof so that you will know that this thing is actually paying. And if you want to do it, you have to be very fast about it. You have to be very fast about it. So the earlier the better. You don't have to wait till, act fast. Act fast as they hot. Alright guys, I don't know why this thing is kind of taking time. Okay, this, here it is. Now you can see before then I actually withdrew. I wanted to withdraw 1,008, but they bounced back. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of network. So I later got additional money, and then I decided to click withdrawal again. This time I had to do I had to withdraw 2.8 instead of 1.8 because my daily um investment returns of 1,000 dropped, so I had to add it up to my initial referral sheet. So that's how I got this 2,800, which I would, you can see it is ticked. If you think I'm trying to play some kind of game, let me show you my alerts. Let me show you, right? So you can see here, this is the alert I got on 29th. On 29th, you can see it, 2008. Like that's it, 2,800. That's what I got. So for you to know that this thing is actually working. So I'm not trying to, to whine you. I'm not trying to whine you in any way, right, guys? So now, how do you invest? How do you invest in this stuff, right? How do you make money with this stuff? Now, if you want to start right away, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon, and stay tuned so that whenever I drop important videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to partake in it. All right. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. If you want to sign up, click on the link below and sign up. Then let me show you how it works after signing up. Okay, so after signing up, this is how it's going to appear. This is how the interface is going to appear. Now, what you need to do is you need to come to this place where they write recharge. You need to come to where you see recharge. You click on it. Click on recharge. Alright, so when you click on recharge, you can see for now I don't have any coin here because I've invested mine. So when you recharge, when you come here, you click on the amount you want to recharge. If it is 4,000, click on 4,000. If it is 8,000, you click on 8. If it is 4,000, you click on 4,000. If it is 8,000, you click on 8,000. If it is 15, whichever amount you want to invest, you click on it. All right. Let's say for instance I want to invest 4,000. Right. So when you click on 4,000, you click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, this interface will show up. It will show up like this. The account name, the account number. Alright, so yeah, it has popped up. So now, when it shows up like this, what you're gonna do is copy the bank name and the account number. Alright, the bank name and the account number. So just copy it and make sure that this name you're seeing here, this name, the name that will appear here is the name that you're gonna see when you paste this, when you want to transfer this 4,000 to this account number. This is the name that's gonna appear. It might not be this exact name, but make sure that the name that appears here is the same thing as the one that's here. I don't know even if you understand what I'm trying to say. When you when you want to transfer, when you want to fund your account, when you want to transfer money to this account, let everything tally. You will see Wema Bank, you will see this name, and let everything just tally. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any kind of confused story. All right. So after that, when you transfer money to this account, it will now reflect here. It will now reflect here. To reflect here, any amount that you transfer into that bank account that got from that interface, the amount is going to appear here. All right. Please pay attention. When the amount appears here, what you're gonna do is you come back to this place, to this interface. Come back to this interface and click on the amount that you sent, you've invested. Let's say for instance you invested 4,000, and you transferred your 4,000 into your account, and it has reflected in your dashboard. The next thing you need to do is to come down here and click on invest. Click on invest. When you click on invest, that's when you're gonna start earning. But if you just move your money to your dashboard without clicking on invest, your money will just be there. It will not be generating you any income. All right, your money will just be there. It won't be generating you any income. But when you add your money into your account and then you come back to click invest, based on how much you've transferred to your account, based on what you've transferred to your account, it will automatically start reading, it will start counting, and within 24 hours your investment return would start dropping. All right, please get it clear. After you've transferred money to your dashboard, come back to the interface and click on invest so that your investment will start reading. All right, please, if you don't understand, whatever you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. I will be very pleased to help you out. All right, don't go and do what you don't understand. Whatever you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. All right, so that's how it is. That's how it is. If you want to know about the company, just come here and click on company and read through. You will know. That's where you can know more about the company. All right, so that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, so that whenever I drop important videos, you'll be among the first persons to partake in it. And there's gonna be a link in the description of this video so that you can click and sign up, recharge, and start making money. All right, I can't wait to hear your your testimony. Can't wait to hear your testimony. All right, thank you, guys. Thanks a lot, and make sure you stay safe.